Welcome back to RFM everyone. Last time we completed the GN125 and it's now safely with his new owner. So now we're starting up that other challenge we originally mentioned when we first picked the two bikes up. Well, it is the turn for the Honda now. It has been sat outside in the rain and the mud for many years. Neglected and forgotten. It is the basket case. The engine is a solid block of corrosion, the carbs are sea solid and the brakes don't even move anymore. It's the definition of field find. Has anyone else had a project like this? Have I gone too deep this time? Leave a comment down below. It'd be nice to see what you've done. The plan is for a full bobber transformation, a Lyset seat maybe, custom tank and a very huge amount of fabrication. But first we need to see if that engine will even turn over again. What do you think? Do you think this bike is worth saving, or do you think it's dead after all these years from being in the open? Well, we're just about to find out. And also, if we can't buy any of the parts, we'll definitely be making them on this one. Now I'm happy the engine turns over by hand. It's time to put some power on it and some fuel to see if it actually starts up. I'm not removing anything, there's too much rubbish around. Too many cobwebs, too many spiders, the whole lot. I've got to connect my battery pack to see if there's any life in the old loom. Then if it's all going well, let's try to start it after. I think I can hear the chain bouncing about. Well, that was the second time, still nothing. So I'll progress on, see what else I can do. I noticed how all the fuel's gone, what I put in the syringe earlier, so I'll fill it back up in a second. Well, it was trying to fire then, but then it stopped. Well, that was about 10 seconds worth. Time to replenish the fuel, see if we can make it run on the fuel itself alone. I don't really like this starting fluid, but sometimes you've got to use it. So apart from the rattle and the whole condition of the entire bike, I'm amazed at how smooth the bike is running at tick over. It is almost like a sewing machine. Well, it sounds like one anyway. If this was your bike, what would you do? Leave your comments below. It'll be interesting to see what you would think. So if you missed the start of the project, check it out. The playlist will be in the top hand corner now. Stick around for the full teardown of this Honda and we'll see what the outcome will bring.